Hi, I'm Dr. Bernie, and welcome to Adorable Pets. I've been a veterinarian for the last 15 years, and during that time I would be working in a practice and doing relief work in many other practices and getting a feel for how practices handle clients and services. And I started to think how I would do things differently. The philosophy was to provide exceptional medical care, or veterinary medical care to our clients in a warm and inviting atmosphere, not only for the owner, but also for the pet. We wanted to put everyone at ease when they came into the door at Adorable Pets. We've invested in the latest equipment, the latest type of medicine. In addition, I've added on alternative services. My philosophy is to provide options and to help the client decide what's best for them and their pet. We get accredited and tested every 3 years on 900 standards of veterinary care, from everything from the floor to the ceiling and everything in between. So what we use to disinfect and how we clean the floor, to how we have our anesthesia protocol for pets, how we have our vaccine protocols. Everything is monitored. We're the only clinic within a 15-mile radius that has that accreditation and certification. Many pet owners who have cats don't want to come to the clinic. They don't want to bring their cat here to the hospital because the cats get stressed out. So we have, as part of our practice, we have certain standards we meet just for cats. We have a specialized room that's our cat-only room, so there's no other pet in there except cats. Sometimes we actually go to the owner and pick up the cat, because the owner doesn't want to pick up the cat and bring it here but knows it's important. That's exceptional customer service. When someone comes through the door, they expect certain medicines to be available. Annual exams, vaccines. I provide surgery. I do most soft tissue surgery. In terms of diagnostics, we do in-house lab work. So if someone comes in sick, I want to know in 20 minutes what I'm looking at. I don't have to wait a day or two. I can get it right now and provide information for the owner. We do a lot of dental preventative care. The most common disease in pets actually is dental disease, and it affects all of their health. And by 3 years of age, all of our pets have some dental disease. So I have state-of-the-art dental equipment. We have dental radiography. We have an ultrasound. So the pet that comes in that I think has a bladder tumor, I can identify that. So we provide all those services here at Adorable Pets: ultrasound, radiograph, dental care, in-house laboratory, and then the routine exams and vaccines and soft tissue surgery. Not all the time does traditional medicine have the answer. I'm a certified veterinary acupuncturist, so I can offer acupuncture services. I'm certified in Chinese herbs, and I just recently became certified in veterinary manual manipulation, which we commonly call chiropractic care. When someone walks in the door, we say hello. We greet the owner, we greet the pet. If someone's having an illness, we send a card. If it's a birthday, we send a card to the owner. We do house calls. We do home delivery of medications. And people understand that care comes from within. It's not a job here. It really is a way of life. It's a passion. There are many veterinary clinics in this area, and people can get good medicine in many clinics, but what they don't get is the alternative medicine, and they don't get the customer service. They don't get the care that we provide. And we appreciate clients entrusting their pets to us when they do have many choices and they can choose to go somewhere else. We want to show that appreciation and that thanks, and we hold a client appreciation party. This year's theme is Mardi Gras, and we turn it on.
This is the extra story, events like this once a year, and this is a wonderful time.
We felt like we were family members there. They knew our name, and they knew our pet's name. And we saw the same doctor and the same people every single time, so there was a continuity with every visit. And we appreciate that they do something like this.
I had a 14-year-old boxer that was terminally ill, and we had to put her down, and Dr. Burney and her staff would come out to the home and euthanize the dog there where she's comfortable. So that's how we met her, and we fell in love with her staff, and they took very good care of us. And when we proceeded to get more puppies down the road, we knew right away to bring them to Dr. Burney and her staff.
She is a real presence in the office. She is there. She's outside. She can be out in the waiting room. She will come to you in the waiting room. And she took me all around the office and showed me everything. And she just exudes compassion for her pets and her pet owners as well. So I have had some physical difficulties over the years, and they have accommodated those wonderfully. When I was having a lot of difficulty and my pets needed something, and I said, but there's no way I can get there. So she immediately offered to come to the house and do a home visit and take care of whatever needed to be taken care of, which included running after and trying to corral some of them.
I had a dog that I no longer have. He's passed away, and he had a lot of challenges, and Dr. Burney was the one who figured out what all the other vets couldn't figure out. And she got him healthy, and she made his end of life really good.
I like the fact that she offers both modern medicine and holistic medicine, so you have your options available.
We asked about acupuncture, and they said go to Dr. Burney. So we went to Dr. Burney, and Dr. Burney did some tests, and was approved. She was approved for acupuncture, and here she is a year and a half later, still going strong. So it's wonderful. So we said, that's it. Everybody's going to Dr. Burney.
She suggests things to me that I've never heard about before. It's very clean. I mean, I can go in there at any time. There's never anything on the floors. Everything is always very clean. The waiting time is almost non-existent. And as I said, the knowledge, I really appreciate the fact that she keeps up with everything that's happening.
And actually, sometimes she comes to us, because during the holidays, we had a mom and 12 puppies, and obviously it was hard to get them over in the wintertime. So Dr. B and her team actually came over a couple of times and did full checks of the puppies. It was really, really helpful.
I was a little bit wary of what I called hoo-hoo medicine, because I didn't really have any, experience with it at all. But I've really come to believe in a lot of the things she does. I've seen some amazing outcomes from some of our cancer patients, and also from some of the cats that have kidney disease, and it's amazing.
We try to make sure that we stand out among other veterinary hospitals in terms of service and quality.
Absolutely.
She's extraordinarily kind and very, very smart, very, very capable, has a wealth of knowledge about things that I would imagine most veterinaries people do not have, from her knowledge about herbs and Chinese medicine. The whole staff here, they are all so kind and so gentle and patient, and I can ask questions all day long and they'll never run out of time for me.
They know you here. You walk in, they know who you are, they're ready for you. They know your pets, they ask you about them. When you call, it's the same thing as well. They're very much aware of who their clients are. So that's what brings us, and that's what keeps us coming back.